Can international students get private student loans without a cosigner? If you are an international student wondering about private student loans without a cosigner, you are not alone. This is a common question among students pursuing education in the United States or Canada. Let's break down what you need to know. First, it is important to understand that most private lenders prefer to have a cosigner. This cosigner is typically a United States citizen or permanent resident with a solid credit history. The cosigner agrees to take responsibility for the loan if the student cannot make payments. Because of this requirement, many international students find it challenging to secure private loans. However, there are some private lenders and credit unions that do offer loans without a cosigner. These options are rare and come with strict eligibility criteria. To qualify, you usually need to meet specific conditions. One of the primary requirements is enrollment at an approved school in the United States or Canada. You also need to be from a qualifying country. Additionally, you must be enrolled at least half-time in an eligible degree program, often at the graduate or professional level. Strong academic performance is another factor lenders consider. They look for students who show promise in their studies and career prospects. You will also need to provide proof of identity and legal status, such as a valid student visa. Another requirement may include having a plan to complete your program within a certain time frame, often within 2 years. Lenders may also ask for financial documents, transcripts, standardized test scores, and sometimes even your employment history or future earning potential. Since these loans are riskier for lenders, they often come with higher interest rates and lower loan amounts compared to loans that have a cosigner. If you are an international student without a cosigner, here are some steps you can take. First, research lenders that specifically offer no cosigner loans for international students. Next, prepare comprehensive documentation to support your application. You might also want to explore alternative financing options, such as scholarships or grants, if you are eligible. It is essential to understand that loans without a cosigner may have stricter terms and higher interest rates. In summary, while it is difficult for international students to obtain private student loans without a cosigner, some banks and credit unions do provide these loans under specific conditions. Make sure to evaluate your options and understand the financial implications before moving forward.